Can't take my past, you can't take my history. You could take my fall, but his name's a mystery. No, nothing you can take from me was ever worth keeping. No, nothing you can take was ever worth keeping. Can't take my charm, can't take my humor, take my wealth, but it's just a rumor. No, nothing you can take is ever worth keeping. No, nothing you can take is ever worth keeping. Thinking you're so fine, thinking you could have mine, thinking you're in control, thinking you could change it, maybe rearrange it, thinking if that's the goal. Can't take my sass, can't take my talking. You can kiss my ass, keep on walking. No, nothing you can take is ever worth keeping. No, nothing you can take was ever worth keeping.